Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Filet mignon is truly a special cut, known for being incredibly tender. When you're picking one out, aim for a piece that's at least 1.5 to 2 inches thick, as this helps achieve a perfect sear without overcooking the inside. Good marbling, those little flecks of fat, will also add fantastic flavor and juiciness to your steak. Before cooking, let your filet sit out for about 30 minutes to an hour. This step is crucial for even cooking, ensuring the center isn't cold when the outside is perfectly seared. Then, pat it super dry with paper towels. This really helps achieve that beautiful crust. Finally, season it generously on all sides with salt and freshly cracked black pepper. Now for the magic, searing. Get a heavy-bottomed pan, cast iron works best, smoking hot over high heat. Add a high smoke point oil, just enough to coat the bottom, and wait until it's shimmering. Then, carefully lay your seasoned filet in the pan, letting it sear undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, developing that gorgeous, deep brown crust. Once seared on both sides, transfer your pan directly into a preheated oven, around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This is where you can add a knob of butter, some crushed garlic, and fresh herbs like thyme or rosemary, spooning it over the steak as it bakes. Use a meat thermometer to track the internal temperature, pulling it out when it reaches your preferred doneness. The most important final step is to let your beautiful filet rest. After taking it from the oven, place it on a cutting board and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, guaranteeing a tender and incredibly moist steak with every bite. Then, it's ready to slice and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.